In this video, we are going to show you how to use private tickets in Zendesk. Now, if you want to create private tickets, it's quite simple. Once you've logged into your account and you are in your dashboard, you want to click the add button here on the left-hand side. When you do so, this small pop-up will appear. You want to create a new ticket, right? So click ticket. There you go. This will add a new tab over here for a new ticket. Now, how do you use private tickets? It's quite simple. You want to look towards here on the lower part of your new ticket. It says public reply by default. Now you want to click on the drop down icon like so. This pop-up will appear. And again, like what I said, by default, it is public. You want to click on internal note to make it private. And when you do that, this is going to be highlighted by a yellow or very light orange highlight or background. And that is practically how you use private tickets in Zendesk. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.